My name is Juvala Praptakarsh and I am a second year Culinary Arts student from Salgaocar Institute of International Hospitality Education. On Saturday, I took part in the Chef Miguel Arcanjo Award for Excellence in Goan Cuisine, which took place in Father Agnell's Institute of Food Sciences. There were 12 different participants from 4 colleges for the competition, and I secured the first place. For my menu, I chose to cook Goan Catholic cuisine, and for appetizers, I made fish roe with reshad masala, a jeera mira chicken galantine for my main course, and for dessert, I made a traditional Goan sweet called dos bhaji. I would like to thank the director and principal of our institute, Professor Irfan Mirza, for giving me the opportunity to take part in this competition and represent our institute over there. I would also like to thank the chefs, Chef Sandeep and Chef Sebastian, under whose guidance I prepared for this competition. I would also like to thank my classmates Gloria and Theory for their continued help and support, as well as Sarvednya, who also participated in the competition.
So last year also we won this award, and this year also Miss Juella won this award, the Best Chef Award, in the name of Chef Miguel Arganjo, organized by this Goa Culinary Club. And this year the competition was very tough, and all participants equally good, and all of them have done a wonderful job. And out of this, Miss Juella won this award, and we are really proud of you, Juella. And I also would like to thank my colleagues, Chef Sebastian and Chef Sandeep, for molding the students to get this award. And we are extremely happy, and hope you do well in the future too. Okay, thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.